Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make moving background in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut, and if we want to create moving background for this video, the first thing we have to do is we can click on effect option right here. Then we're going to select body effect and make sure that you choose hallucination effect right here. You need to tap on hallucination effect and we can scroll down. And if we want to create moving background, we can select unidirectional movement or rotation twist. And for me, I'm just going to select unidirectional movement. Okay, and after that, we can adjust the effect. We can adjust the speed and also the rotate. And after you're done adjusting the effect, you just need to click on this check mark button. And we can adjust the length. We can make this effect align with the video, so we just need to drag it to the right like this. Okay, and let's take a look on the result, guys. So just play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create moving background in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.